Hi, my name is Tyrus Cabrera. I'm the service center manager for Nixon, and we're going to talk about how to size your brand new Nixon watch. So if you do find that you're right in between link sizes, there's a feature right here called the micro adjuster that you can adjust in right in between. It's like a half link size. So we can open this up. I'll show you how to adjust the micro adjuster to pull this a little tighter. There'll be anywhere from 1 to 4 holes right here on the side of the clasp, and those are like belt notches, the sizing. So we're gonna bump these out to the largest size here and work our way in. So we'll just take our small punch, press down on the spring bar, and just a little bit, and then just enough to get it to clear to the next hole. And then we'll do it on one side, and then we'll turn the watch over, and we'll do it on the opposite side. So do the same thing, press that spring bar down, and slide it out to the next position. All right, we'll make sure that's in there, and then we'll give it a try. And that's much better, just gives you a little bit more of play. It was just too tight before, and if you were to put in a whole link, it would have given me too much play, but right there with the micro adjuster sizing, makes it nice and comfy for me.